looking for a TSA approved carry-on, this could be a good option. This bag was actually sent to me to try out, and let's go ahead and just review all of the features of this bag. Now, as you can see, it is quite big, but it is approved for a carry-on bag. It's 14 by 10 by 22. So as you can tell, the dimensions, they're quite big. So many features of this bag. So let's take them one at a time. So these are some nice strong straps. They're also breathable. It has like a mesh sort of fabric right here. It also has a sort of a strap right here to go ahead and help with the adjustments. But what I actually love, one of the first things I love about this is right in the back of the bag there is a zip, and this is meant for like hiding your passports or any valuable items, because this is the part that's going to be on your back, so it is hidden, so small things could come inside of here. Now it does have the little flap that you can go ahead and hook on to your carry-on or any of your luggage so that it holds on. On the side here you have an adapter. This is meant for like portable chargers. You can go ahead and attach your portable charger to this, plug in the cord, and then charge your device, so you are able to charge your device on the go, which is super helpful. Lots of zips. So you have a nice front zip, a side zip, so many different options on the front, together with a bigger one on in front here. And then this is where you could sort of store your pens, a little keychain so that you could clip on your keys. This does come out in case you need to remove it, but it's quite deep inside of here, so there are a lot of things that you can actually fit on the front part of this bag. Now on this side you can there's a small pocket. It is a mesh pocket, but you could put like a water bottle or just something that you need to grab pretty easily. Now at the back of this bag you have where you'll basically secure your laptop, and it is quite big, and it has a little strap, and this is like a padding sort of thing just to help protect your laptop or any devices. Now it is kind of flat, nothing else could kind of fit here just because the zip opens pretty big. Now this last zip is what is going to surprise you and turn this backpack into like a mini carry-on. Look at how big this is inside of here. It is literally like a little carry-on suitcase where you can pack probably up to 6 days of clothes inside of here. So it already has a nice little zipper up here so that you can put some stuff. It has the little clothing secure straps, but honestly, like this is like if you want to carry on but also a backpack, it is like both in one. So not only is it like that kind of backpack and carry on, but if you stuff this and you're like, oh, I needed some more space, there's actually an extender. So there's like a hidden zip right here that once you go ahead, it's going to give you extra inches, like a bunch more inches here, so that it opens up and it's still TSA and carry-on proof. So this bag has so many zips, so many compartments, and I love the fact that I could store about 5 to 6 days of clothes inside of here and still also use it as a backpack, secure my documents, and I am good to go. It is also waterproof, so that with this material, if it does get wet, your items inside of this bag is not going to get wet. So this is a nice sort of durable, long-lasting backpack slash carry-on.